Nidang Karbianglong Amri MAC constituency kaparlo Amkachi CFC Holalong Amri Helping Hand Society MIP Binolin Pangchopi pen ke paterpi ponsi kedamtang arkoi ni phai seke pen ni phai ingkora ke thom an hanso kateki pen ali ke palongji aputhak lapen hanso pen ki choson hai hui kasemar pen pinang an ki jor pen ali ke longji aphan seke ki pi amai mesen pen ke pachun pon labangso seke ki pi Amri Helping Hand Society pen paterpi ponsi NABARD Assam Regional Asai pen kachirap lok pen sai ka chuti ke tuma phan kang thura sai mung pinang an jesemet NABARD pen tame kachirap dun thedung do pusi bendang air NABARD DDM than pachini NABARD pen isia project sanction do laki jangmilen katiki ijia phan pusi DDM pen pachini Father Joseph than kachen jirsong asong director dipu pen jesemet Jangmilen katiki pen alekilongji aphan penangan alam than ponlo Jangmilen katiki pen kosonsi tangka ke wang jila pen jangmilet ko an e ok epran aphan kimi imate cancer ke so kelong atuma phan kicho nang jia kinang sot lapen kapre akeso tami me ipusi than ponlo
We are trying to promote millet in Karbianglong. It is because of two reasons: to improve the health of all, especially women and children. Secondly, to earn additional income to improve their livelihood. And in this regard, the NABARD is supporting us and the people of Karbianglong to improve, to revive this crop for the benefit of the people. Last 1 year, we have initiated for 100 farmers. This year also we try to promote millet for the people.
Anpartami labangso puthak anso seki phir ke thak ibidi pen amang ki to ke pa me pen chenglok mesin la pen imi thang therang ransi ke thak aputhak tami mensing be handloom and textile officer West Karbianglong pen than pachini
Nabangla skill updation aputhak tamane rorok itumdak da habar molom kisuman peke thak bomlo same kisuman amadara peke thak technique jolang la so skill koson se akop anhi baung thuima sorlo tumba bas peke thak prote sorlo der galle so pinsun pe thak si so skill updation fan koson si kan kem nang ma ha puthak jini pinidak achingwa
and today we have inaugurated the model millet project for West Karbianglong district, covering 50 beneficiaries. The inauguration of this model millet project is in continuation with the declaration of the year 2023 as the International Year of Millet by the United Nations. So under this project, we are helping the farmers not only to go for production of foxtail millets, but also we are looking at extending the necessary linkages, the value chain from production to processing to marketing.
Labangso sai katiki pen alekilongji aphan jesemet hanso processing seke kipi nikrepho seke kipi atum sotkiri be BSc Agriculture lapen mircheng ronghang MSc Agriculture atum pen petangsi certificate ami ron ponlo Lapen Chief Guest Mensing Be Genliam Textile Officer Jirsong Asong Director Father Joseph Thangkaching Lapen Bendang Air NABARD DDM Atum Chetong Dunsi RDP Pon Pen Mesen Pen Pechun Ponlo Ulukunchi Pen Himari Rongphar Karbianglong Lai